M107 Drone, a feature-rich aerial experience with night vision and obstacle avoidance. The M107 Drone is a visually striking and technologically advanced quadcopter, designed to provide an immersive and enjoyable flying experience for both beginners and experienced pilots. Equipped with a triple camera system, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and vibrant LED lighting, this drone excels in both day and night flights. Key features: triple camera system with 8K HD, capture stunning aerial photos and videos with the drone's high-definition triple camera setup, offering diverse perspectives and detailed imagery. The 8K HD resolution ensures exceptional clarity. Screen-controlled night vision, navigate and capture footage in low-light conditions with the integrated screen-controlled night vision feature, expanding your flying possibilities. Four-sided intelligent obstacle avoidance, fly with confidence knowing that the M107 drone is equipped with intelligent obstacle avoidance sensors on all four sides, minimizing the risk of collisions and ensuring a safer flight. Brushless motor, experience powerful and efficient flight with the drone's 1503 brushless motor, providing smooth and responsive control. Vibrant LED lighting, enjoy a dazzling light show with the drone's colorful LED lights, including a 3-color nose light, forward, backward indicators, side flying lights, and a 7-color gradient hover light. Foldable and portable design. The drone's foldable design makes it easy to transport and store, allowing you to take it on your adventures. Long flight time. Enjoy approximately 20 minutes of flight time on a single charge, providing ample time to capture your desired footage. 2.4G remote control. Experience stable and reliable control with the 2.4G remote control, offering a long range and minimal interference. Optical flow hover. Maintain stable flight and precise positioning with the optical flow hover feature. Electric adjustable camera. Adjust the camera angle remotely to capture the perfect shot. One-click takeoff, landing and headless mode. Simplify flight operations with one-click takeoff, landing and headless mode, making the drone easy to fly for beginners. One-click roll. Perform exciting aerial maneuvers with the one-click roll function. Specifications: model, M107 large folding colorful light brushless drone. Camera, 8K HD triple camera. Motor, 1503 brushless motor. Battery, 3000 mAh. Flight time, approximately 20 minutes. Remote control frequency, 2.4G. Unfolded size, 34 by 34 by 8.5 centimeters. Folded size, 16.5 by 10 by 8.5 centimeters. Materials, ABS and hardware electronic components. Accessories included: M107 drone, remote control, body battery, 2 instruction manual. For spare propellers, storage bag, USB charging cable, spare screwdriver, infrared obstacle avoidance sensor. Overall, the M107 drone stands out with its combination of advanced features, vibrant lighting, and user-friendly controls. Its triple camera system, night vision capabilities, and intelligent obstacle avoidance make it a versatile drone suitable for a wide range of applications, from aerial photography and videography to recreational flying.